Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I want to talk about what to do if your toilet is making a continual noise or a noise that comes and goes. This noise is due to faulty valves located inside the water tank, which causes water to run when it's not supposed to. In order to gain access to the valves, simply remove the lid on top of the water tank by lifting it straight up and putting the lid in a safe place where it won't get damaged. I apologize for the way the water tank looks on the inside. I'm on a well and I've had problems in the past with my water softener and it stained it. For demonstration purposes, I drain the water out of the tank. A toilet is actually very simple and has two main valves. The first valve is called a fill valve, which is located here. The top of the fill valve will always be located at the top of the water tank. The second valve is called a flush valve, which is located here. The flush valve will always be located at the bottom of the water tank. For demonstration purposes, the water tank is now filled back up. In order to stop the noise, you first need to determine which valve is causing the noise. So here's how to do that, which is really easy. Once you remove the lid from the top of the tank, simply look at how high the water level is inside the tank. If the water is at the very top of this drain pipe, then the fill valve is either not adjusted properly or you have a faulty fill valve which needs to be replaced. The water level should normally be around an inch below the top of the drain pipe. Turning this adjustment screw counterclockwise will lower the water level. If the water level is below the top of the drain pipe, then you either have an improperly adjusted flush valve chain or a tangled chain which is attached to the flush valve, or you have a faulty flush valve which needs to be replaced. The chain should always have some slack in it. It's really that simple. If you need to replace your fill valve, then click on the video shown in the top left corner. If you need to replace your flush valve, then click on the video shown in the top right corner. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now.